In this video, we are going to look at how creating high-quality vector icon sets like these can help you generate a solid passive income by selling them on Adobe Stock and various other digital marketplaces. We analyze different security icon sets to examine clean vector shapes and bold outlines that perform exceptionally well in the commercial market. Next, we head over to ChatGPT to draft specific structured prompts. We ask the AI to generate text prompts for 6 different black and white security services icons. The goal is to get distinct concept ideas like a security guard shield, CCTV surveillance, and fingerprint access control, while ensuring a unified monochrome style across all of them. Now, we copy our first prompt for the security guard shield and paste it into the image generator to create our initial asset. While it processes, we jump back to copy the next prompt for the CCTV camera icon. Once the shield icon is ready, we preview the clean lines and solid fills, and then we generate the third icon for the fingerprint access control using the optimized prompt structure. We repeat this streamlined process for the remaining icons, including the alarm and monitoring system and the security patrol vehicle, keeping every prompt focused on a flat icon monochrome style. With all our flat vector style designs ready, we quickly download each high-resolution icon from the generator into our dedicated project folder to prepare them for vector conversion. Opening up Adobe Illustrator, we import our first raster graphic into the workspace. Using the Image Trace panel, we apply optimized settings for black and white logos to convert the artwork into clean, scalable vector paths. Once traced, we expand and ungroup the object to isolate the icon. We then pull in our second graphic, the CCTV camera shield. After running the image trace, we ungroup the paths, clear any unnecessary background elements, and reposition the finalized vector asset alongside our first icon. Next is the biometric fingerprint shield, where the same precise tracking workflow turns the intricate lines into sharp vector geometry, maintaining the consistent flat design language. We quickly cycle through the final 3 assets, the secure padlock shield, the alarm siren icon, and the patrol vehicle graphic, running the same image trace setup on each one to maintain uniform stroke thickness and clean edges. With all 6 icons converted to vectors, we use the Align panel to distribute them evenly across 2 clean rows, checking for perfect visual balance and consistent geometry. Finally, we go to File, select Export, and save our completed, perfectly aligned security icon set as a web-ready transparent PNG file. And there you have it, a professional icon pack ready for use.